So I've come out to the range again, as you can see, cans again. But I've got a bit of something special. I've been on Amazon recently. Fucking hell. Try to do an intro, and these bastards won't stay still. Just put them there, fuck it. Got something special off Amazon. A couple more magazines than this bad boy. First of all, we're going to try this bad boy in the Glock. Pull the slide back, shall we? Insert the magazine. Let's go. Jesus Christ, that's got some force to it. It has got some force to it when you fire it. It's gone over. Jeez, it's getting quite rainy, but I'm going to continue. Yeah, so it's a big 50 round magazine. Do not point it at my face, although my finger is off the trigger. Very slippery because of the rain. Yeah, I've got 3 extra magazines, so that makes 4 plus this big boy. So, I'm going to continue shooting. One thing I haven't tried with it is bump fire. But don't want to try with this one because it's new. Okay, that is an empty. That is an empty. Oh, strange. That's right, I guess. Okay, that is it, I think. Correct, that is out of ammunition. So, take that magazine out. It's getting quite rainy. That is the magazine. It's a 30. It's a real life is a 30 round, but it's a 50 round in there. So, we're gonna swatch that out for another magazine. Gonna be just shooting randomly today at the cans. Fucking hell, this thing's hard to get out. Ah, there we go. It's gonna be put that in there. So this is another magazine. Put that in. It's very cool. Let's do it sideways. Okay, that was cool. On fire. Okay, that is empty. Try bump fire with the next one. Don't know what bump fire is. It's very cool. It's when you mostly see it on the news, CNN, fake news about the evil AR-15 and the bump fire stock. Well, I live in Wales and I can have bump fire with an airsoft buffer. So fuck you, CNN. No fucking survivors, man. Make sure this slide goes up when it does. Okay, that's out of ammunition. I don't know why the slide doesn't stay back anymore. Maybe because I'm holding it wrong, maybe because of some other reason. But it is fun to fire all these magazines, it's fucking amazing. 2 magazines left, fully loaded. It's quite rainy, sorry about the rain. Now make sure the lens isn't all rained up. So, gonna pull out the Glock again. That was cool. Oh yeah, pump fire. Not doing it correctly. You have to put your finger right in there, so. Okay, that's it. Oh, it stayed back. Thank God. Thank the merciful Lord. So that goes into this magazine pouch. Once this was at, I've just got the normal armour on, so I actually get a primary. I'm gonna put a normal primary magazine in there. And that did put that in. So bump fire then. It's really hard to bump fire with this. Because of the things I have 15, I had the bump fire stock, so it's easier. But with this, you're just gonna fiddle around. Okay, slide stayed back again. I'm so happy, so happy. Just gonna take the magazine out. Since I have no more pouches left. Ooh, ooh, that was nice. That was nice indeed. So that was it. That was my Glock again. Got a bit of rain on it. Nothing's gonna probably hurt it. A bit of water, maybe. So yeah, that magazine's proper out, as you can see. So yeah, I really did enjoy that. I really did enjoy firing that extended magazine is fucking badass as shit. It is. It is. Once you put it in the actual Glock, it looks absolutely fucking amazing. So just as a comparison, that's the extended 50 round magazine. That is the smaller 20 round magazine. It's quite big, isn't it? So I'm going to end it here. They're demolishing these pure Fennis cans with just you showing you the magazine going into the Glock. Thank you ladies and gentlemen for watching. I've been Jack the Gamer. I hope you enjoyed.